guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back to the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where I have a whole bunch of friends who help me today in the kitchen. We have
Toby, Adeline, Carmela, James.
all right, guys, and we made a peach bread, and we can't wait to show you how to make it at home. After washing the peaches, carefully remove the skin of the fruit using a vegetable peeler. Always peel away from yourself. Remove the pit with a grown-up's help by cutting into the peach until you reach the pit. Then cut around the peach with the knife touching the pit. Once you've gone all the way around, gently twist the peach to separate it into two halves. Then pull out the pit. Slice the peach halves and then dice them, which means to cut them into small pieces. Place the diced peaches in a bowl. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and stir until they are fully coated. In a separate bowl, combine the eggs, brown sugar, cinnamon applesauce, milk, vanilla, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix the ingredients with an electric mixer. In another bowl, add the flour, baking powder, and salt. Combine the ingredients together. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix them well with the electric mixer. Once the batter is mixed, pour in the diced peaches and gently stir them into the batter by hand using a spatula. Grease an 8x8 glass baking dish with Crisco or butter. Add the batter into the baking dish and make certain it's evenly spread. Carefully place it into a preheated oven of 350 degrees and bake it for 50 minutes. Once it's finished baking, remove it from the oven using oven mitts and let it cool completely before slicing into thin pieces. You can eat this bread alone, or you can turn it into a sandwich alternative by stirring together 3 tablespoons of cream cheese with 1 tablespoon of honey. Then spread some of the sweetened cream cheese onto one slice of the bread, and then take another slice and put it on top. All right, guys, thanks for joining me at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. Stay tuned, where we have more great recipes coming your way soon.